How to fix muted video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to fix a muted video on TikTok. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix a muted video on TikTok whenever you're trying to upload a fairly new video, you want to just launch the TikTok application first, tap on the plus icon from the bottom, and simply select the video that you wish to upload over here. So I'll just go ahead and select one of these certain videos and tap the next option. It will take some time for it to load the data. So depending upon how high quality the video belongs to. And when you've done that, we'll just wait and you can see it's done here. Now, if this video does not have audio, make sure that you have your media sound set, because if it is set to a fairly lower volume or a nil volume, then you might not hear a sound. Similarly, you might have to just go to this little edit button on the right hand side, and from edit you can go to this sounds tab and you can check if there is a certain sound, but if not, you can add a custom sound effect, or a voiceover depending upon whatever else it is that you like. And this way you can fix a muted video on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.